x cubed in the denominator? Yeah. Well, let's see, x cannot equal 0 there, can it? Right? Not only in the exponent here, but in the denominator of the fraction overall. So it looks like we're going to have to do the limit as t approaches 0 from the left, integral minus 1 to t e to the 1 over x, x cubed dx. Yeah. Now what? Why do you want to do that? Well, let's hope it makes it easier. So du is minus 1 over x squared dx. Oh, okay, I see why he wanted us to do that. Notice we can rewrite this integral as limit, t goes to 0 from the left, integral minus 1 to t, and I'm going to write that as e to the 1 over x times 1 over x times 1 over x squared dx. Yeah, that's what he told me to do. So let's put this minus sign over here with the du, or du, 1 over x squared dx. And now let's perform the substitution. So limit as t goes to 0 from the left, integral minus, I'm doing a substitution now, aren't I? So when x is minus 1, then u is minus 1. When x is t, then u is 1 over t. E to the 1 over x becomes e to the u. 1 over x is u. And 1 over x squared dx is minus du. So once again, this is one that we could use the table on. Although let me rewrite it for you once. So I'll write this as limit t goes to 0 from the left. Let's get rid of the minus sign by exchanging the order of the limits of integration, u e to the u du. And wasn't that 1 minus u e to the u? I forget. Is that what it was? So limit as t goes to 0 from the left. And what did you say it was? 1 minus? U minus 1. E to the u. Evaluated from 1 over t to minus 1. So limit as t goes to 0 from the left. And let's see, if I plug in minus 1, then what do I get? Minus 2 over e? Minus, and if I plug in 1 over t, I get 1 over t minus 1 times e to the 1 over t. How's that? Ugh, glad you like it. Let's see, so this limit doesn't affect that. What about here? If I let t be 0, what does this become? Infinity, and this becomes e to the infinity, which is, well, it's not infinity over infinity, it's infinity times infinity, isn't it?
Yeah. Just more infinity.
So that's minus 2 over e. Plug in 0, 1 over 0 is infinity. Infinity minus 1 is still infinity.
Isn't there supposed to be a negative? Because du is negative du.
Let's see, I got rid of the negative when I exchanged the limits of integration. So that's infinity. E to the 1 over 0 is e to the infinity, which is also infinity. In other words, this is minus infinity. So I wrote DNE before. What does DNE stand for? So we've got a fancier word for does not exist. Diverge. We say this diverges or does not exist. And we'll show the reason that they use the word diverge when we get to chapter 11.
So everything else converges. So-
Converge means has a nice answer.
Okay.
2,
Yeah.
3, minus 4.
Well,
Diverge means it ain't got a nice answer.
uh,
Well, but